Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath here it's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. A macchiato beige MB text interior with a spiral look trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats. This one does have third row seating in back. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. Also comes with the parking assistance package with active parking assist and a surround view system with front and rear sensors. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands like a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, or different buttons for our parking assistance package. This GLB has 149 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.